Hidden in the middle of lush forest, this is a refreshing and powerful monkey falls near Valparai. This is the area near Aliyar Dam viewpoint. There's a signage saying elephant zone. In 500 meters, I would be approaching a place called Monkey Falls.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
There is a narrow bridge. I have to wait for these vehicles to go.
Your destination is on the right.
This is the area near Monkey Falls. It says it is open, so I will go and see inside. I had to buy a ticket from here for 50 rupees to get into this area, and there is a nice, well paved pathway apparently leading to the falls. The path continues. I can hear the falls, I can see the falls. Looks like a nice place. This is Monkey Falls, the waterfalls, and there is some kind of a reservoir area where people are taking bath and taking photos. Nice place, a little bit crowded. There is a rock where they have painted the pictures of tiger. Here's another rock where they have painted the pictures of elephants. It's a picture of a monkey and something is written in Tamil. I'll have to interpret it later. Some more pictures or statues, so to speak. Again, monkeys. I'm on the way out of this place. There is a big rock here and the staircase leading back to the road. They do have a good parking lot here, and there are washrooms here. Very quiet place. The parking lot faces a nice mountain. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.